sparkles of light, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so as you can see, I already did the braiding pattern and I will put the video up here for you on how I did that. Okay, so we're just getting right into it, okay? So this is a number 4 I got from Amazon, and it is 30 inches long and it comes pre-stretched. So taking little pieces at a time, you're just going to fill in the back of your head. So now as you move up your head, you want to trim the hair before installing it, and that gives it that natural layered look. And you want to just keep doing that as you keep moving up the back of your head. Just keep trimming each a little bit more at a time. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. As you can see, all the beautiful, lovely layers in it. It's falling so naturally, right? Alright, I already did the side of my head, but I was just showing you guys how I made that side even shorter, and especially towards the front, so that you're staying consistent on creating that natural layered look all around your head. So how are you guys? I hope you all are doing well and healthy, spiritually, mentally, and physically, emotionally, during this shifting time that we are going through right now. You guys know so much going on right now. At the front, you get to the top crown of your head. You're going to use the knotless method, and that's just to hide that braid that's going across. During this video, I was like sick. I even like wiped my nose on this part, so excuse me, but see how I look. Yeah, I got like a little cold, and that was like the first cold I've had in a very long time. It just lasted for a few days, but it of course had hit me during this time. Alright, so making sure to check for any gaps in the hair, and you want to just fill all those gaps in so that it's full. It covers that horizontal braid completely. And you see how there's this gap here? So you want to make sure that you're filling in all of these type of gaps. Look at how all the layers look. This is why you want to cut it all applying it in your hair, because it helps it to just fall very naturally. So you can see how all these layers look. So yeah, now it's time to start finish up the side of your head. Alright, so starting with the vertical braids at the top, towards the back of them, you'll be creating and using the knotless method. Stop, freeze, pause. I had to show you guys these nails. Oh my god. These I got from Walmart. I forgot the brand. I'll put it up there somewhere. The Salon Perfect Pop Art. Yeah, they're super cute. Alright, my husband's home now and gaming. Alright, next, starting with the next color. This is the number 350. So it's like the reddish brown undertone. I did get 3 packs of this color. So now you want to just blend the 2 colors together, and that just creates like a nice blended effect. It just looks really pretty that way and really natural. And then you're going to go ahead and trim it before installing it, and then trim it again once you have it in, just to frame your face. And then once you get to those last braids that are in the front of your head, you're going to use the knotless method on those as well. Oh, you guys, I seriously was not feeling good. Look at those dark circles. Oh my god. I called out of work the next day. I sure did. I got me some rest. Alright, starting your bangs, you just want to trim them before you install them again. The trimming before installation just really helps it lay naturally. I know I keep saying that and repeat myself, but it's so true. Trust me, if you try it and trim it after, you're going to see the difference. You're going to see that it's like, doesn't lay as natural. It's like something about it. My loves, while you're filling in your bangs, you don't want any gaps in there as well. Okay? Alright, so now starting the second row to create that halo effect, you want to start with your dark color now, and it's going to be over the top of the lighter color and create that underneath effect. And I'm just measuring it because of course you want that to be the same length as the first row. Okay. Starting that third, last, and final row, final. We're there. We're at the end. You're going to create the knotless method. You want to make sure that this last row is the same length as the first 2 rows for your bangs. So I know you can still see the knots right now at the top of the bangs. I just need to brush those forward, the hairs at the top, to cover up those knots, just in case you're wondering. Alright, so now I'm just brushing it all out. I'll definitely be trimming these up and shaping this to frame your face. Alright, I went on ahead and quantum leap 2 days later. I'm feeling better now. So now it's time to trim this up and get it shaped a little bit better. Frame it around your face, trim up any bangs. Just doing a length check here. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it this long or make it a little bit shorter because, you know, now we're going to lay these edges. Let's lay these edges, girl. Like pulling straight pieces of hair out of my ass that's 30 inches long is not fun. It feels really weird. Oh my bad, I know that was TMI, but if you know it's true, you know it. So starting with the back of your head, you're going to just take little sections at a time and just get those blow dried. As straight as possible. And just keep moving up your head with little sections at a time. Now you can trim and layer the front for your desired look. Alright my loves, that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you learned something. Thanks for hanging out with me. Subscribe if you're not already. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye.